This morning, I went round to my pal Mel Anderson at My Body Fit. I think it's My Body Fits. My Body Fits. Because she wanted a bit of help with her setup that she's got in her studio with lighting. Now, her husband is a YouTuber and they have a purpose-built studio, so they have plenty of lights. But one thing I did notice, the lights they use were LED panel lighting and they're quite harsh. Now in our lighting we use softboxes, and a softbox basically diffuses the light. Now we did pose a bit of a problem with this one because I don't think you can buy softboxes for what they've got. But I come up with a solution. Thank you Tesco's. It even says on it, reuse. Check this out. I put a carrier bag over the light. Tesco carrier bag. They're not sponsoring this, but if you fancy sponsoring it, give me a shout. Like I say, things don't need to cost a fortune. Just need to use the old noggin, don't you? Huh? This isn't just a hat stand, you know.